Hello, welcome to theenggprojects.com. Please subscribe our channel by clicking this button and support us. Hello, welcome to theengineeringprojects.com. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about the while loop. The basic use of while loop is that to replace the iterative line of code with loops. For example, here is I will use console.writeLine and print the table of any number. For example, 1 multiplied by 1 and then again up to 10's time. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and one line more as 10. Now these 10 lines will represent the table of 1. I will execute the program. To minimize the line of code which have the iterative process, we will use loops, and in this program I am going to use while loop to minimize these 10 lines into optimized way. I will use while. The syntax of while loop is after while keyword in parentheses there is condition, then in curly braces there is line of code which will be executed on the condition, and after the line of codes in the last there is increment or decrement as you required. For example, I will initialize any variable int a is equal to 1 and then my condition is a is less than 11. It's mean the value of a is started from 1 and the loop will be executed up to a is less than 11, and here I will increment the value of a each time the line of code will be executed or while loop will be executed. So I will use console.writeLine to print a multiplied by 1. Now what happened in the previous, I have used 10 line of code to print the table of 1 up to 10. Now here how many line of code I have to write? 1 2 3 4 line of code. I am neglected these curly braces. Now execute the program and here is the same output. The best part of loop is that you can iterate it to infinity. For example, I will use here as 101. Now it will show me the table of 1 up to 100. So here if I will use console.writeLine simply, then I have to write 100 line of code to represent the table of 1 up to 100. But in loops it is easy to handle them.